Hello friends, this is Noribzai, your favorite channel. Today I will show you how to get another helicopter. I will show you where that is. Here that is a paint spray. Here I will show you that where that is. Go this side. It has sucked because we want to do going another area. That's why it was struck.
Remember to listen all day, like even when you're sleeping. We're going to be giving away the Flash Fantasy Giveaway, where you and a stranger will fly to see a concert in Idaho or Nebraska or Indiana. Oh, who pays attention to the Midwest anyway?
How do you like to enjoy a rusty...
And go straight.
I like to munch it vigorously.
It is a shopping mall in downtown.
On Friday night,
The helicopter. There is a gun.
Oh my God! So good.
Sometimes I like to wear women's panties and walk around Fifth Street. When you go downtown, make sure you
First
enjoy
we want a
Rusty
helicopter
Brown's Great Donuts.
to
He was just the boy next door.
we have been come to the near of the area that there is the another helicopter.
Hey, listen up now. This one goes out to the...
It is the another helicopter, the route of that house. And it was a mission. It has. We do not want the mission. We want to go. Please subscribe my channel. Please.